Welcome to Bola Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to do selection in AutoCAD. Okay, now to select an object in AutoCAD, we have about three different methods which we can use. We have the window selection, we have the cross selection, and we have the Lasso selection. Okay, so let's get started with the window selection. Okay, in order to use the window selection, we are just going to click on our mouse. Okay, let's left click on our mouse, then we are going to drag our cursor, okay, our mouse from the left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, as you can see, this is window selection. It is always giving the blue color. Okay, so what's the difference between the window selection and the cross selection? So for the window selection, as you can see, it is not selecting the object not until after it covers through. Okay, so if it is right here, it is not going to select, but once it covers through, it selects the whole object. Okay, it selects the object. So for window selection, this particular blue one, it has to what, to cover through the whole object before it can select it. But we have also the cross selection. Okay, so let's cover through. Okay, as you can see, you select it. Now we have the cross selection. The cross selection, you are going to what, left click on your keyboard, on your mouse, sorry. You are going to left click on your mouse and then take it from the right hand side, okay, towards the left hand side. Now this is what's always showing the green color. Okay, so for this particular one, you don't need to what, you don't need to select the whole object before it gets selected. You just need to select a part of the whole object. As you can see, I've not selected the whole object. I just selected a part and it is what, it is already selected. Okay, so let's just try it with this middle. As you can see, I selected a part and it is selected. But see, I have to what, select this whole. I selected a part, it is not selected. I selected a part, it is what, it is selected. So those are the two major difference. While we also have the lasso selection, which is just pressing your what, your right click button down, then dragging. Okay, so this particular way, like this. Okay, you are going to press your right click, then drag. Is actually better, is actually better when you are what, when you are using the cross selection. Okay, so you can just drag, 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 and what you have selected. Okay, so you right click, sorry, you left click, you left click, then you what, you left click, then you drag. Okay, so like this. So that's the way the lasso selection actually works. Okay, as you can see also, after clicking on our selection, which is the window selection or the cross selection, whichever one, you can see in the command line we have things like the fence, the W polygon, and the what, and the C polygon. This W polygon is actually window polygon, while the C polygon is cross polygon, and we also have the fence. Now I'm going to start with the fence. The fence just simply means you are going to start from this point, select this point, any point you select. Okay, it's just like making boundaries. Any point you select, then you click on enter, is going to be selected just by using that particular fence point method. Okay, or rather you can come over here to W polygon, then you what, you you come over here to W polygon. Okay, then sorry, come over here to W polygon, then you make a fence around any object that you want to. Okay, a polygon around any object, then click on enter and it gets selected immediately. Okay, or you can also do this, come to cross polygon, it's going to turn to green. Okay, so like this, then you click on enter and it is selected. So those are the ways in which you can what, do the selection of any object in AutoCAD. In the next video, we are going to be talking about the modify panel in AutoCAD. Okay, we are going to talk about the move command, the copy command, the rotate, the mirror, how to use them. So don't forget to subscribe in order to be the first to get that video, and also hit the like button for the algorithm. It's really going to go a long way for me. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next. Peace.